So hi gamers, how are you? And I am back with another interesting video. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can see all the ads which come in the missions, daily missions. So guys, now I will first see this ad, and after seeing 2 or 3 ads it will say the advertisement is not ready. That's the thing in it. So now let me show you what is the solution of this one. So this ad is so long and irritating, but I like this screen shadow, so maybe I download it. So leave it, and now I am going to get its reward 5 minutes free time tag. Actually it is very good. Gloud games are very good. And I will see the second ad, it also comes for also. I will see it is 30-second ad, and minimum ad is 12 seconds in my country, India. I don't know in your country what, because in every country it comes with different ad. So in my country it is 12 seconds, which is the ad of Paytm. Now again, and now guys, see, the advertisement is not ready. So first of all guys, I will tell you that don't see the first ad, means the 5 minute free time pack ad. Don't see it first. First you have to see this daily video rewards, all the 10 ads, and then you see ad sign. So it will never write that ad is not available. Now it is coming again one time more, and it will tell that ad is not available again, and no matter how much time I will tap on it. So now let's see why it is taking so much time. I'm not able to understand. Even if my net is 9 Mbps, 9 megabits per second, it's 2 Mbps megabytes per second. So now you can see the advertisement is not ready. First of all guys, I will tell you that you don't see the first one ad, which is 5 minute free time tag, so that you can easily see all the 10 ads, and after this you see the 5 free time pack ad. So many people see the 5 minute free time pack ad first, so they don't be able to see their 10 ads total. So now what to do if you have seen the first one ad? So now what you have to do is to just go back and then refresh one time. Reload. I'm not playing PUBG. Yes, I'm going to download it first. Now you can see guys, this ad comes Google Pay. So guys, this is the thing. First of all, don't see the 5 minutes free time pack ad, and if you have seen it by mistake, and so do this one, so you can see 10 minutes and 10 ads and get 15 minutes total. And so I'll show you again. This will write the advertisement is not ready. So now again what we have to do is to refresh it and go to missions and unlock. And now guys, you can see that it is again writing the advertisement already. So now you have to go back again and then refresh again, and just come to mission. Why it is loading, I don't know. My speed is so high. Now again tap on it, and see guys, the ad is coming. So guys, I am going to show you all the 10 ads, that I can see all the 10 ads. And now I am going to fast forward the video so you don't get bored in this video, and you will see clearly that by applying this trick you can see all the 10 ads. So now guys, I have seen 4 ads, and again it is writing advertisement is not ready. So again refresh and then missions and unlock. Again it will write not ready. So go again, refresh again. So guys, don't do 2 times, it will not affect anything. Don't do like this 2 times. If you think I will do 2 times and then it will work, so no, it is not going to work. You have to go to mission, come back again, then again refresh. So now I am able to see the ad, as you can clearly see. And now guys, I am going to fast forward the video so that you you don't get bored and your time don't get wasted. So now I'm going to fast forward.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
So guys, now you can see that I have saw every ad and I have got 15 minutes extra, which means 45 minutes. And guys, if you want to know how to get free SVIP coupon and fast pass coupon and time pack coupon, unlimited time pack, unlimited fast pass and unlimited SVIP coupons, so you can see my previous video which is released on 1 January. I uploaded on 1 January. You can see it is the video of trick how to get SVIP in free. And guys, share my video to your friends, so that also your friends will be able to see all the ads. And like my video. If you find it helpful, please like my video guys, because every like you do, yeah, I become very happy, because I know that you are watching my video, you are happy to see my content, and I am so happy to see your like. And please guys, subscribe my channel, because I upload more videos like this, and you can find so much tricks of cloud games in future. For now I have uploaded only 3 videos including this, but I am going to upload more videos about cloud games. So please subscribe my channel, it will be helpful to you, and also share to your friends, so that they also know the tricks. So bye guys.